Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TNB Academy. The world of asset management is changing faster than ever before, with globalization, digitalization, and sustainability shaping every industry. The standards that guide asset management cannot remain static. ISO 55001 has provided a strong foundation, but as we move beyond 2024, organizations must ask, what will the future of asset management standards look like? In this session, we explore the emerging trends, challenges, and innovations that will define the next generation of asset management systems. Now, lessons from ISO 55000 series. The ISO 55000 series, first published in 2014, established the global language of asset management. It introduced principles of value realization, alignment, leadership, and assurance. Over the past decade, it has helped governments, utilities, transport systems, and private companies create consistency in managing assets. But while the framework has worked well, gaps have appeared. Many organizations demand deeper integration with digital transformation, ESG, and resilience. These gaps set the stage for the standards of the future. Now we will discuss about the 5 key trends shaping the future. Trend 1. Digital transformation. One of the strongest forces reshaping asset management is digital technology. Beyond 2024, standards will evolve to embed AI, big data, IoT, and digital twins. ISO 55001's current clauses allow technology use but do not explicitly guide it. Future standards may include specific requirements for data governance, cybersecurity in asset systems, and real-time performance monitoring. For example, smart cities rely on connected assets like sensors and grids. The next generation of standards must ensure digital trust and data quality. Trend 2. Sustainability and ESG. Another defining force is sustainability. Organizations are being judged not just by financial performance, but also by environmental and social outcomes. Future asset management standards will align with Sustainable Development Goals, climate targets, and ESG frameworks. This means life cycle thinking will expand to include carbon footprints, circular economy, and social responsibility. For instance, companies may be required to assess the environmental impact of asset disposal or sourcing, aligning ISO 55001 with ISO 14001 and ISO 26000. Trend 3. Resilience and risk. The COVID-19 pandemic, geopolitical tensions, and supply chain disruptions prove one thing: resilience is non-negotiable. Future asset management standards will strengthen requirements for business continuity, disaster preparedness, and adaptability. ISO 55001 already includes risk-based thinking, but future revisions may explicitly demand resilience testing and contingency planning. For example, utilities will need to prove that critical infrastructure can survive cyber attacks, natural disasters, or political shocks. Trend 4. Human competence and culture. As automation increases, human competence becomes even more valuable. The future of standards will highlight skills, awareness, and leadership culture. Clause 7.2 on competence may evolve to include digital literacy, sustainability, knowledge, and cross-disciplinary learning. Future asset managers must not only understand engineering, but also data science, finance, and stakeholder engagement. Standards will encourage a culture of continuous learning and innovation. Now let's discuss about the Trend 5, integration with other standards. ISO 55001 doesn't exist in isolation. Future revisions will integrate more closely with ISO 9001 quality, ISO 14001 environment, ISO 45001 health and safety, ISO 27001 information security, and ISO 37301 compliance. Integrated management systems will reduce duplication and increase efficiency. For example, asset safety checks could simultaneously satisfy quality, environmental, and compliance audits, all aligned under one integrated framework. Now we will discuss the role of technology platforms. Future asset management will be powered by platforms. Cloud-based asset management systems, blockchain for transparent supply chains, and AI-driven dashboards will become standard practice. Standards will need to define minimum requirements for digital records, interoperability between platforms, and secure access. For instance, blockchain could certify the provenance of critical spare parts, ensuring authenticity and compliance. The future of asset management standards will not just be about efficiency. It will be about resilience, sustainability, and digital excellence. ISO 55001 gave us the language of asset management. The next generation of standards will give us the tools for a smarter, greener, and safer future. Organizations that adapt early will gain competitive advantage, trust, and long-term value. Remember this, assets don't just carry cost, they carry responsibility to people, to planet, and to the future. Thanks for joining us on this detailed session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.